Hello, my name is Jatin and I'm from LightSpeed Photonics. I'm a chief of staff in this company. So what we do at LightSpeed Photonics is make pluggable transceivers. So if you're wondering what a pluggable transceiver is, the pluggable transceiver sits in your data center, which basically powers your different servers interconnectivity. So essentially a pluggable transceivers would convert your electrical signals to optical because light is the fastest medium, hence our company name LightSpeed Photonics. So we make advanced variants of a pluggable transceivers. The one I'm holding in the hand is the status quo, which is being used in most of the data centers. But as you can see, the rise of AI applications, IoT and different use cases, we need much more increments in the bandwidth, for which we are conducive of our future. That's why we made the world's first solderable optical interconnect. So this optical interconnect is powering 400 Gbps. You'll be able to solder it on our PCB, and with that, any PCB manufacturer can enter into the data center market. So as you can see in this image, you can solder our optical interconnect, which is LK100, closer to the processor, and with this, using the same architecture, one can put multiples of this and they will be able to extract a lot of data. And in this manner, we'll be able to increase our ecosystem and increase the throughput from a typical network interface card, and that essentially increases the bandwidth of a typical data center in which it can follow. So this is what we do at LightSpeed, and this is about us. So as you know that with the use case of AI and other applications, there is a lot of power that is being generated in a data center. Not only that, the data centers are also increasing because of the increasing bandwidth, and we'll have to cater to this because that is the rise of the future, right? And in that case, we need a product which will not only save power, but in the bandwidth, which is limited context of the bandwidth is there, you'll have to extract the maximum number of power, and most importantly, you will have to be increasing the speed because of the future requirements. Not only that, this is not the most important thing is what are the clever ways in which we can optimize the system. That's where our product steps in. Wherein using the same architecture, we are getting the compute very close, we are getting our interconnect very close to the compute, and with that, you'll be able to save a lot of power because we are eliminating a lot of chips that is used in a pluggable transceiver. Secondly, we are also improving a lot of space. Imagine if you have to put multiples of this, you'll not be able to, but using our pluggable transceiver, which is LK100, you'll be able to put multiples of this. So we are not only saving electricity, we are not only saving power constraint, but we are also helping upcoming PCB manufacturers to enter into the market, which wasn't possible to them. So that's why we are building the ecosystem, not only on the social aspects, but also helping fellow entrepreneurs to get into this market. Well, we are very thankful for Semicon India. Firstly, because as you know that our nation has not really got a head start to China, but nevertheless, because of the ecosystem partners and all the support that we are getting from Semicon India, we are very confident that we might have started the ride little bit late, but we are on a very good highway, and I'm pretty sure in a very few years to come, we'll be able to put a very good mark in the Indian ecosystem. And Semicon India has been a catalyst in that by providing us all the support that is required for us. Well, we have seen a boom in the IT industry which happened in 2000s, and that was a great boom, and because of which a lot of computer science courses emerged and a lot of youth has went in the direction, due to which you guys have built very good companies in the abroad. Now the story is about to change because semiconductors are the future. While there is a good ecosystem in building all the software products, but we need an architecture that supports that. And our nation has all the brightest minds which has been catering to the future. So it's about time that we write our own growth story for India in 2025 and the years that are yet to come. So for all the students out there, it's important that you get your basics right, and this can be learned on any platform that is out there, any free material, YouTube and all this, you'll be able to learn the material. But it's just that the IT has been glorified. It's time that we glorify our ecosystem and write the next growth story. So if you can get your basics right and have a positive mindset towards that, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to write great chapters for India.